We recently installed a gravity-fed drip irrigation system at a herb farm in Heni village, Nyandarua County. The land had a gentle slope and was divided into blocks, making it ideal for efficient irrigation. A 50,000-litre raised tank, standing 9 metres high, served as the water source. We laid out the main line, sub-mains, hydrants, and drip lines, spaced 30 centimetres apart. The main line was buried slightly to protect it, and hydrants were installed on risers to control water block by block. We added a screen filter at the base of the tank to prevent clogging and fitted a venturi injector for fertigation, allowing fertilizers to flow through the system. The drip lines were sealed and pegged in place for alignment. On one block, we also installed plastic mulch over the beds. The drip lines ran underneath, with planting holes to be perforated during transplanting. We buried the edges with soil and used pegs to hold the mulch in place. After flushing and testing each block, we confirmed even water flow throughout the system. The setup ran smoothly, with strong pressure from the raised tank and independent control from the hydrants. This solution was low cost, easy to manage, and water efficient, helping the farmer improve crop production and farm operations.